Let's start with the very first line in any HTML document. Doc type HTML. This might look a bit strange, but it's incredibly important. This line tells the web browser that the document you're presenting is an HTML5 document. Browsers use this information to understand how to render the page correctly. It helps ensure that the page is displayed consistently across different browsers and devices. By including doc-type HTML, you're telling the browser that you're writing your code according to the latest HTML5 standards. Imagine you're writing a letter. You'd start with something like "Dear Recipient" to let the recipient know it's a letter. Similarly, doc-type HTML tells the browser, "Hey, this is an HTML document. Please read and display it accordingly." Next, we have the HTML tag. HTML is the root element of the entire page. It encompasses all other elements within the document. Think of it as the container for everything. Just like a box holds various items, the HTML tag holds all the content of your web page. Within the HTML tag, we have two primary sections. First, we have the head section. This section, much like the blueprints for your house, contains crucial information that isn't directly visible to users, but it's absolutely essential for the browser and search engines to understand the page. Inside the head section, we find the meta tag. This is like the specifications for your house, outlining the materials used, special features, and even keywords to help people find your house if they're searching for a home with similar characteristics. It provides vital information about the page, such as the character set, a brief description for search engines, and keywords to help people find your page. Also within the head section, we have the title tag. This is like the nameplate on your mailbox, clearly displaying the name of your house. When you view the page in a web browser, the title defines that appears in the Browser tab, helping visitors easily identify your web page. For example, if we type "My First HTML Lesson" as the title, and then we go live using the live server extension that we installed earlier, this is what will appear in the Browser tab. Using a live server allows you to see the updated instantly after making changes to your code, providing immediate feedback and streamlining the development process. Now, we come to the most exciting part, the body section. This is where the real magic happens. This is where you'll find all the content that makes the web page a reality. This is where you'll place the text, the stories you want to share, the information you want to convey, the heart and soul of the web page. You'll add images to bring the web page to life, making it visually appealing and inviting. And of course, you'll include links, like doorways that connect you to other parts of the web page or even to other websites. The body section is where you create a space that is both functional and engaging, a place where visitors will want to explore and spend time. In the next chapter, we will discuss the content of the body section in more detail. So, there you have it, the foundation, the blueprint, and the living space. These three key components work together to create a complete and engaging web page. Hey! I have great news for you. There's a shortcut to quickly create this basic structure. Simply type ! and press Tab. VS Code will automatically generate the entire HTML structure, including the doc-type HTML declaration, the HTML, head, and body tags. This shortcut saves you time and helps you get started with your web page even faster. Now, let's break down the key elements of this basic structure. These elements form the foundation of every HTML document, so it's helpful to understand their purpose. The doc-type HTML declaration tells the browser it's dealing with an HTML5 document. The HTML lang equals n tag is the root element of the document. The lang equals n attribute specifies that the primary language of the page is English. This helps search engines and assistive technologies understand the content. The head section contains meta information about the document. The meta charset equals UTF-8 specifies that the character encoding is UTF-8, allowing for a wide range of characters. The meta name equals viewport, content equals, width equals, device width, initial scale equals 1.0, Meta tag controls how the page is displayed on different devices, like smartphones and tablets. The title document /title sets the title that appears in the browser tab. The body section contains the visible content of the web page. This structure not only adheres to W3C standards, but also lays a strong foundation for building accessible web pages for all users, ensuring your web pages are compatible with various browsers and devices.